Greetings, greetings. Yeah, man. My name is Anansi, and I just swing down from my web to tell you one of my stories. This story tell you how Brother Dog get him big butt narrow down to a small narrow behind. Turn the pages and read the story. One love. One day, while he was walking in the bushes, Anansi the spider came across a most unusual tree. At first, it appeared to be a coconut tree. Anansi could not believe his eyes, because instead of having the usual bunch of coconuts, the tree had cupcake growing down from the boughs. He could not believe his luck. How can sweet candy cake be growing on a tree? And Nancy asked himself with a puzzled look. And Nancy licked his lips and his mouth began to water. Well, never look a gift horse in the mouth, I say. Boy, I am so hungry. All I have to do is climb up this cake or coconut cake or whatever kind of tree it is and pick the biggest, juiciest one, he said to himself as he prepared to climb up the smooth trunk of the magical tree. He climbed and climbed, and Anansi got close to the largest cake on the tree. He reached out to pick it, but the cake jumped off the tree to the ground. Good! Now my job is easier, Anansi said as he swung down from the tree to pick the fallen cake. When Anansi came down from the tree, he bent over to pick up the cake from the ground. As he reached out his hand to pick up the cake, it jumped back up into the tree. What is this? Anansi exclaimed. He climbed up the tree and tried to pick the same cake. But as he reached out his hand to get the cake, it jumped down to the ground again. Every time Anansi came down from the tree, the cake would jump up in the tree. When he climbed up into the tree, the cake would jump down again. Brother Dog came by and saw Anansi climbing up and jumping down off the tree. What are you doing, Anansi? Dog asked. Anansi told Dog what had been happening to him. Brother Dog, I need your help. I will climb the tree and you wait under it. When the cake jumps down, you catch it. I will share it with you, Anansi said. Sound good to me, Brother Dog said as he waited under the tree until Anansi climbed up and reached out for the cake. As soon as the cake jumped down towards the ground, Brother Dog caught it in his mouth and swallowed it. You thieving dog! Anansi shouted from up in the tree. Just wait until I get my hands on you. Hearing this, Brother Dog ran off into the bushes with Anansi close behind him. Anansi the Spider was no match for Brother Dog's speed. He was soon left behind to mourn the loss of his sweet cut cake. Since Anansi was a cunning spider, he immediately came up with a plan. He turned around and headed towards Brother Dog's home to waylay him. When Anansi got close to Brother Dog's home, he dug a hole in the ground and covered himself up, leaving only his two eyes showing. Soon Brother Dog returned to his home, laughing as he had tricked poor Anansi. When he got close to the spot where Anansi was hiding, he noticed two eyes peering at him out of the ground. Everyone knows how nosy dogs are, and Brother Dog was no exception. "What is this?" Brother Dog exclaimed. "I have never seen the ground have eyes before." He walked over to get a closer look at the eyes. As soon as he got close to the eyes, Anansi jumped out of the ground where he was hiding and grabbed Brother Dog around the waist. Anansi squeezed and squeezed as hard as he could until the stolen cupcake popped out of Brother Dog's mouth. Pop! Anansi picked up the cupcake and smacking his lips, he ate it all. Hey, hey. This is why to this day dogs have narrow behinds. It was Anansi the Spider who did it, you know. Yes, man. Anansi was responsible for a lot of things. Take care. One love. In Jamaica, we have what we call brata. Brata is when you get a little extra. So here's the brata for this story. If you ever want to make cupcakes, just follow this recipe, or you can buy delicious coconut cakes or cupcakes from almost any Jamaican store. Take care now and enjoy.